the NDP government to prove to us that you guys are committed to NSCAD, and we are looking forward to your response on February 25th. Thank you. I'm so inspired by the students at NSCAD. We will not give up the fight. We are letting everyone know that NSCAD is alive and it is important. And I will see you guys tonight at 5:30 and we'll talk about it more.